So you have to always remember that we have come here, we have come to ISKCON in order to surrender. So let's do that. Let's surrender. Let's become serious about our spiritual life. If we have accepted this path, then let's go forward with all sincerity. Why after coming onto the path, we want to hold ourselves back? Now that we are here, just get into it. When you plunge into water, swim. Why jumping into water then think, oh, maybe I made a mistake, I should have been on the land? Is that a good, intelligent way to think? No. I dove into the water, so I decided to come to the water, so let me remain in the water and swim. I decided to come to the path of devotional service. Let's become serious and be engaged in devotional service. Why should we hesitate? Why should we think, oh, maybe I should have done this, I should have done that? No. We should try to become completely serious about our involvement in Krishna consciousness.